Lane, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long ever since I recorded a video because I took a kind of long break again because it was like finals week. I'm sorry if you were waiting and I was like MIA, but I'm back. Anyways, these past like months, weeks, I've been on a time crunch, so doing makeup was pretty hard. So now I have a new daily makeup and this is like my go-to makeup right now, which is like way less time consuming, much faster. It looks a little bit more natural too. So if you're curious how I did this makeup, keep watching. All right, first of all, I'm just gonna add some rollers for volume real quick. And for foundation, I'm gonna use two types, and I'm gonna use the brighter one on the centers of my face because this way it just highlights the points very well and it really shortens my time when I contour my face, and it's so much more natural than a regular contour. As you see, I'm putting in that forehead, the eye area, all the way to my chin. Just like that, and with a darker shade of foundation, I'm gonna put it on the outer side of my face. And of course on my forehead as well. Do you guys see how natural that looks? And with the contour, I'm just gonna swipe a few times, just super quick, fast. And with the same colors, I'm going to contour my nose, make the tip slim. And I also do it on my eyelid and where my eyebrow connects. And for the blush, my favorite blush, I'm gonna apply with like a fluffy, smaller brush and put it where my dark circles are. And with the bigger brush, I'm just gonna put it all over my eyes around that area. And of course, emphasize it more on my cheeks. Like that. I look a little weird, but like that. And apply a little bit on my nose. And with the brown eyebrow pencil, I am going to start from the front of my eyebrows and then outline the back and fill it in. And with a darker shade, I'm just gonna apply a thin layer of it just to make my eyebrows a little bit darker. And with a thin brush, I'm going to get the darker contour and make 애교살, baby fat. And also put on my cupid's bow. Time to cut my lashes. And I need a mirror for this, so I'm gonna grab from the root and let it go little by little as I go up. And do that multiple times, and the last pinch on the roots really hard. Time for my eyes! I am going to use my dual eyelash glue and this little tool to make my double eyelid. I'm just gonna see where is the most natural crease and then apply my glue. And then carefully pinch it and open my eyes and hold my eyes like that for it to stick. And that's how it's looking. Like this. Yay! With a curl fixer, I am going to fix my lashes so that it doesn't come down, but it hardens. And then after it dries up, I'm gonna pinch it one more time for that boost. And with the curl fix black color, I'm going to apply it on my under eyelashes and the roots of my eyelashes, and then the tips of it. Let it dry. Same to the other side. This lashes is looking a little funky, but it's alright. And let it dry. Dang, my non-existing eyelashes are existing now. Next is eyeliner and a little exciting dance. And I'm gonna follow the natural angle of my eye and just pull out my wing. And then I'm gonna connect it to the front. Just make a thin eyeliner. Next is chapstick. And with this lipstick, I am going to outline my lips and kind of overdraw it as well make it a little blurry too. And with this tint, I'm going to apply it on the edges of my lips, and in the center of it, and the inner side of my lips. Then blend it. And with this lip gloss, I'm going to apply it all over. I forgot, but with this white pencil, I'm going to highlight my baby fat. And then blend it. I think I'm good to go. Fix my hair. And yes, we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's cold right now, so please be healthy and safe. Don't catch a cold because this girl did and it was not fun. Anyway, if you guys have other recommendations, please comment down below. Don't forget to give me a like and also subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!